Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a little DIY portable ink refill kit that I made. I'm pretty pleased with it. I think it's pretty nifty, and so I thought I'd make a video on it to share with you. So here we have it. This is a teeny tiny tin. You see little tins like these at antique markets, flea markets, sometimes thrift stores, etc. You might even have some lying around your house or your garage or whatever. Anyway, this one I got for $5 Australian at a flea market. It's an old carnation corn caps tin, which I think is actually quite a pretty little tin. You can see here it is so small, completely pocketable. And inside I have a little cloth, a 2 ml vial of ink, a tiny drawing up, I'm not going to say needle because it's plastic, it's entirely plastic, but if you had a drawing up needle that was metal, you could put that in here as well. I've chosen to use this plastic one because it means that it's safe to go on an airline. They're not going to take it off me. And the best part of this whole kit, and what makes it be able to be so small, is this. This is a little refillable cartridge for the Kaweco Sport. It's absolutely teeny tiny, which is why a lot of people actually don't like to use them in the Kaweco Sports, because I think it holds 0.4 mils of ink, so it's very small. But I mean, what it is basically is a teeny tiny syringe. So when space is something that you're trying to save, you can see it just pops on the end of your drawing up needle, and then you have a little tiny syringe. So you can draw up ink from this bottle, refill a cartridge if you need to, or if you have an eyedropper pen, I guess you could use it for that too. And it's super tiny and packs down. So I'm just going to do a couple of little comparisons. So here I have a 5 ml syringe. It is a very small syringe, but compared to the Kaweco Sport cartridge, it's huge. Again, I've got your standard 18 gauge drawing up needle here, but I just want to show you that you can actually use that on the edge of here as well. Now, if I wanted to, I could fit 2 of these 2 ml bottles in this tin. That's 4 mils of ink. That is actually a lot of ink. That'd be enough for a couple of weeks for me, maybe even more. So just with this little tiny tin, my little cloth, I'm ready to go. So what are your thoughts? I think it's a pretty good idea, and I found that it works quite well. I've had other iterations of this kind of portable ink tin prior to this one, so maybe I'll share a video comparing them and just showing how I've really been trying to get the size down so it's the smallest it can possibly be. I really like it. And now I'm on the lookout for more tiny vintage tins that I can use. What do you guys use for ink refills on the go? Do you use cartridges, or do you use anything similar to this? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, then please feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.